All right. We all know that mental health in our students is extremely, extremely important. And so I found this resource and I thought it was really cool. So this is, like I said, another app that you, like I said previously, that you have to download, but it is available on all, um, you know, devices, just in the app. So if you have like MacBook, excuse me, you'll have to download the app. So this app is called Self Care. So the reason I like this app is because it does a really good job at it's an emotional companion app for teens, and an app that uses artificial intelligence to interact with its users. So the home screen is like a bedroom, okay, and you can it's described as a safe place where users can explore different techniques and activities to promote calming, self-reflection, mindfulness, general emotional well-being. Um, Teenagers can share their thoughts and feelings on the app, and the app is available on any smartphone, computer, tablet, iPad, as well as Apple Android devices. Students can work on self-awareness and coping mechanisms to help handle their strong emotions. Journal prompts and tarot cards may help teens find meaning in and process their feelings. Positive affirmations can provide inspiration and positivity. So I selected this tool because there's been such a rise in mental health issues, especially in adolescent students post-pandemic, and many of them don't have a safe and reliable outlet for these issues. As educators, we wear many hats, several of them having to do with catering to student emotional and mental health by performing the duties of a counselor, a therapist, or just being someone that the student can talk to. I know I've been in many situations where a student gives me information that I don't know how to respond to. I don't know how to give them advice, comfort them. And we don't really get a lot of training on that. So this app would be just great for giving students that emotional outlet and teaching them how to cope with their emotions and tune into their needs healthfully. So my underlying purpose is for them to have this platform to express their emotions, understand them, learn how to work through them. And I'm not familiar with all the ways that exist in coping with emotions in a healthy manner, and I believe I could learn some things from this app as well. So in my classes, I always allocate 20 minutes at the beginning of every Friday. I call them SEL days, for social and emotional learning. So I just pick like a topic I can do a mini lesson on, and this is something I could see myself incorporating into that, as it allows students to practice this form of self-care by journaling, positive affirmations, positivity, reflection, all while remaining private. So students are obviously going to be the main audience, but this would also be a great resource for educators who are going through some of the same struggles that I am regarding student emotional and mental health and how to handle and respond to those situations. But I would mainly use it for students. And then the ISTE standards that I chose for this are with educational leadership and students. Standards. So using technology to engage in reflective practices, of course, and then staying current with research that improves student learning outcomes. So we all know that we got to meet those Maslow's hierarchy before we can even begin to, have any lasting learning. So we have to meet students' emotional needs. We have to meet their physical needs and things like that. So this is just my 2 cents on that. So I want to thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you next time.